What if I told you that by this time next quarter, you could be the person companies call to manage their AI, not the person AI replaces? I'm not talking about coding boot camps or expensive degrees. I'm talking about mastering a few specific tools this quarter that qualify you to supervise autonomous workflows, coordinate AI agents, and future proof your career, while most people are still figuring out ChatGPT. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, find the job you really want, and thrive in the AI era. In this video, we're going to walk through the exact AI tools you can master this quarter, even if you're starting from scratch, to become what I call an agentic workflow operator. That's someone who doesn't just use AI, they run it. By the end, you'll have a full 90-day learning plan, broken into 3 simple phases, with tools, resources, and real-world examples you can practice right now. Let's dive in. Let's start with the foundation, weeks 1 through 4. Every agentic workflow starts with prompt precision and automation basics. So, the first tool you'll master is ChatGPT, or Gemini if you prefer Google's ecosystem. Why? Because prompt fluency is the new literacy. You'll use it not just to write, but to automate, summarize, plan, and debug your own systems. Here's your assignment this week. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and start experimenting with multi-step prompts. Don't just say, write a report. Say, research X topic. Summarize it in 3 bullet points. Generate an outline. Then create a polished version in my tone. End steps. That chain of reasoning is the foundation of every agentic workflow. Next, integrate Zapier or Make.com, formerly Integromat. These are no-code automation tools that connect your everyday apps. Zapier lets you build simple automations, like when a form is filled, send an email, save the file, and notify me. Make.com takes it further. It visualizes your workflows. Think of it as the training wheels for agentic systems. Your goal? Create one automated workflow this month that saves you 30 minutes a day. Maybe that's automating invoice tracking, project status emails, or social post scheduling. What matters is that you start thinking like a system designer. Once you're comfortable, move to Notion AI, a workspace that blends notes, tasks, and automations. Use Notion AI to build your first AI command center, a simple dashboard that tracks your learning, projects, and goals. In one Notion page, create a table for workflows I'm building, a second for tools I've tested, and a journal for agentic prompts and ideas. By the end of week 4, you'll have your first digital HQ. Proof you can organize information like an operator, not just a user. Now that you've automated small tasks, it's time to level up, weeks 5 through 8. This is where you'll learn to connect intelligent agents together. That's where the real transformation begins. Start with LangChain. LangChain is an open source framework that lets you chain multiple AI steps together, like research, then reasoning, then action, then result. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to understand the logic. Each step passes its result to the next. If you've used Make.com or Zapier, the mindset is the same, but here, the apps are AI models. There's an amazing tutorial on GitHub called LangChain for Beginners. Follow it, and you'll learn how to build a mini AI research agent, something that can read websites, summarize info, and compile reports for you. That's agentic thinking in action. Next, explore AutoGPT and CrewAI. These are self-directed AI systems that can complete goals with minimal input. AutoGPT is great for experiments. Give it a goal like create a market analysis for HVAC businesses, and it'll break the task into steps, research online, and produce findings. CrewAI is more advanced. It lets you assign multiple AI agents different roles: a researcher, a writer, an analyst, a strategist. Each communicates with the others. Your exercise this month: set up a small project with CrewAI or AutoGPT. Give it a real goal, like planning a business idea, writing a client proposal, or designing a training program. Just one more. Let it run, observe how it self-corrects, and note where human supervision adds the most value. Congratulations! That's agentic workflow training in practice. Next, layer in Microsoft Copilot or Google Duet. These corporate-grade tools bring agentic workflows into your daily apps. Use them in Word, Excel, or Sheets to draft, analyze, and automate your deliverables. For instance, summarize these 10 reports and flag anomalies, or create a project plan with milestones and risk analysis. You're no longer typing, you're orchestrating. To practice your leadership mindset, try this prompt daily. AI, act as my operations assistant. I'm leading an agentic workflow project. Here are today's tasks. That's how you train your voice and confidence for real-world management of AI systems. By now, you've built small workflows, connected agents, and managed outputs. Now it's time to move into the final phase, weeks 9 through 12. This is where you'll focus on governance, optimization, and ethics. Start with elicit.org, an AI research assistant that helps you gather credible data and sources for decision-making. Use it to verify outputs from other agents and improve accuracy. Next, explore PromptLayer or Flowise. These tools help you track, version, and evaluate your prompts, essential for quality control in agentic systems. Think of it like a flight log for your AI. You'll see which prompts produce the best results, where the system fails, and how to fix it. Then, move into ethics and human-in-the-loop design. Take free micro-credentials from IBM Skills Build or Microsoft Learn on AI governance and responsible AI. These are short courses, most under 10 hours, and they give you the language employers are seeking: fairness, transparency, accountability. You can add these to your LinkedIn immediately. Next, practice analysis with Power BI, Tableau Public, or Google Looker Studio. Why? Because agentic workflows generate data, and whoever interprets that data controls the story. Learn to visualize AI outcomes, measure efficiency, and make decisions based on insights. Even if you only use the free versions, create free dashboards this month. Finally, explore AI orchestration tools that merge all these layers. Tools like Hugging Face Spaces for building, hosting, and sharing simple AI apps. Relevance AI to connect data pipelines with no-code agents. And Open Devin and TaskWeaver, experimental tools for autonomous developer agents. Your mindset this quarter should shift from how do I use AI to how do I make AI work together safely, efficiently, and ethically. Let me summarize everything you'll do this quarter. In month 1, you'll learn to communicate with AI, master ChatGPT or Gemini for prompt fluency, automate small tasks with Zapier or Make.com, and build your AI command center in Notion AI. In month 2, you'll build and orchestrate agentic workflows. Learn LangChain basics. Experiment with AutoGPT or CrewAI for self-running projects, and integrate Microsoft Copilot or Google Duet into daily workflows. In month 3, you'll govern, analyze, and lead. Verify outputs with elicit.org. Track and version prompts with PromptLayer or Flowise. Earn free AI governance badges on IBM or Microsoft Learn. And create visual dashboards in Power BI, Tableau, or Looker Studio. Bonus, document everything you do in a learning portfolio. Screenshots, links, projects, and prompts. This becomes your agentic resume. As the AI market evolves, companies aren't just hiring engineers, they're hiring operators. People who understand how systems talk to each other. People who can monitor and improve AI performance. People who can translate human goals into machine instructions. That's the role of an agentic workflow operator. And if you follow this 90-day plan, mastering communication, orchestration, and governance, you'll have more than skills. You'll have evidence. Evidence that you can lead, design, and deliver results in the era of autonomous systems. So don't wait for someone to hand you the playbook. You're writing it right now. Your journey starts with one simple question. What workflow can I make smarter this week? Ask it daily and watch your opportunities multiply. If this video gave you clarity, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, share it with a friend who's serious about upgrading their career before 2026 hits. And don't forget to subscribe, because tomorrow we'll dive into the AI marketing mastery for job seekers. Until then, stay curious, stay committed, and remember, you don't need to chase the future. You just need to learn how to operate it.